Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The days ahead will see an economic calendar full of data releases that could steer market reactions. High-impact updates are expected to draw the most attention, but even medium-impact events can shape broader market trends. With these economic updates approaching, having a strategy in place is vital. Whether outcomes align with or deviate from expectations, being prepared will help navigate the response.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Target reported a bigger-than-expected drop in quarterly comparable sales as cash-strapped U.S. consumers pulled back discretionary spending on apparel and home decor. The retailer also unveiled plans to invest about $1 billion more in 2026. London's FTSE 100 slipped for the fifth consecutive session, with defense and financial stocks leading the downturn, while inflation data bolstered expectations for a December interest rate reduction. The blue chip index finished 0.5% lower. Investors pulled roughly $523 million from BlackRock's flagship iShares Bitcoin Trust, marking the fund's largest single-day withdrawal since its launch. Bitcoin, a bellwether for crypto markets, fell below $90,000 this week, its lowest level in 7 months.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 4.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillators is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.